Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this top data scraper platform called Browse AI. So let's quickly dive into it. Browse AI is one of the top no-code web scraping tools in 2025, making it easy to extract or monitor data without writing code. It's click and extract interface that anyone train robots to pull data from website, schedule, update, and even synchronization results to Google Sheets, Zipper, or other app with free plan to get started, and automation features that fit neatly into workspace. It's a great option for individual and small teams who want quick, reliable data without technical overhead. On the downside or flip side, it comes with a scales. Pricing can climb quickly if you need a frequent monitoring or multiple robots. And complex sites with heavy JavaScript or anti-scrapping measures may break tasks. So debugging can also feel limited for anyone or non-technical users. So still, for ease of use and seamless integration, Browse AI is one of the best choice for no-code web scraping. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more.